Hello and welcome to one more episode of Quantum Tutorials. In this episode, let us understand about what are the APIs that are present inside the reference architecture extensions type of project, using which we can get the reference of a presentation controller from a form controller, and which APIs can we use to get the reference of a business controller from a presentation controller. And from the business controller, how can we use the generated object models to interact with the object services defined inside the fabric layer? What APIs do we have using which we can get the reference of the object model from the business controllers? And we'll also look at the APIs which we have to use to navigate between one form to another form. As we discussed in the earlier videos, presentation controller is responsible for performing any kind of navigations within the reference architecture extensions type of project. So we will see which APIs we need to use for performing the navigation between the forms from the presentation controller. So without further ado, let us look at the first API, that is how to get reference of a presentation controller from a form controller. All these APIs are under the namespace Kony.mvc. So basically, if we want to get the reference of a presentation controller of a particular module which you have created inside reference architecture extensions type of project, so the API which you can use is Kony.mvc.mda application.get shared instance. From that you will be getting the module manager, and get module, you will have to pass the name of the module for which you need to get the reference, and from that you will be able to get the presentation controller reference. Here is an example that shows how to get the reference of a presentation controller of onboarding module defined inside your project. Similarly, if you want to get the reference of a business controller from a presentation controller component, the API remains the same, except that you will use the business controller. Once you get hold of the module, you will refer to the business controller which is there inside that module. So this is how you will be able to get reference to the business controller defined within your module. Here is an API that you have to use to get the reference of an object inside an object service from the business controller using the generated models in the front end application, and then to invoke a custom verb defined on that object. First you will have to get the reference of the repo manager, similar to the module manager which we have seen in the previous two scenarios, where you are trying to get the reference of the presentation controller and business controller. Here, using the repo manager, I will get reference to the repository, and by passing the name of the object, I will be able to get reference to that object. Once we get the reference to an object, using that reference, we can use the API custom verb to invoke any custom verb that is defined on that object. You'll have to pass the name of the custom verb and the input parameters JSON object that the custom verb is expecting, and the completion callback function reference. So this completion callback would get invoked once the business controller gets the response back from the fabric layer. Here is an example showing how to get the reference of the party object defined inside your object services of fabric layer by using the repo manager.get repository and passing the name of the object party, and for invoking the create party verb, which is defined on the party object. You can send the input parameters as a JSON object as shown here. And the third parameter for the custom verb API is the completion callback, which is reference to a function defined inside your business controller. So here is the API that we can use to get the reference of the navigation object, using which you can navigate between the forms from the presentation controller of your reference architecture extensions type of project. Kony.mvc.navigation would give the reference of the navigation object. It takes the input as the form name to which you want to navigate to. And you can use the navigate API on this navigation object to navigate to the form for which you have created the navigation object. If you want to pass any parameters while navigating to that form, you can pass those parameters as the JSON object to the navigate API. Here we are showing an example of navigating to the acknowledgement form by using the navigation object and the navigate API inside that navigation object. So these are the various APIs that we have. As a developer, we can use these APIs from the form controllers, presentation controllers, business controllers present inside your reference architecture extensions type of project to get the reference of the presentation controllers, business controllers, and the models using which you can perform the activities inside your application. Thank you.